Welcome to the world of mathematics. The topic that I would like to discuss with you is the LU decomposition. How we can find LU decomposition. The process is pretty simple. What you need to do, first of all, write a matrix. Right? So I have written here a matrix. Now, beside the a matrix, you have to write a matrix in such a way that it should be upper triangular. Right? And these dots denote the unknown that we need to find. Okay, so I have written here these dots denote an unknown entry of L, means lower triangular matrix. Okay, now what do I need to do? I need to make this entry 1. So what I will do, I have to divide first row by 6 because I am dividing first row by 6, or I am multiplying first row by its multiplicative inverse. So in this first entry, because I'm making this entry 1, I will put here its multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 6 is 6, or simply because I am dividing with 6, I will write here 6. Okay, another logic is that because I am finishing here 6, that's why I am putting here 6. Well, whatever the language you understand, you feel easy, you may adopt that language. So come on the next point. After making this one 1, I need to introduce 0 below the first, below the leading diagonal, below the diagonal element. Okay, so what will I do? I just multiply first row by -9, then add with this row, I will get here 0, and similarly I will multiply first row by -3 and add with the third row, I will get 0 in this place. Okay, so because I am multiplying -9, okay, I will write the additive inverse of -9 here. And because I am multiplying -3, so I will put here the additive inverse of -3, that is +3. In other words, because I am finishing 9 from this place, that's why I am putting here 9. Because I am going to finish 3 from this place, that's why I am putting 3 here. In other words, because I am putting -9 here, I have to write the same number with the opposite sign, with the opposite sign, that is, if because here the negative, I have to put here positive, and because here the negative, I have to put here positive. Okay, so I have got here zeros, and because when I multiplied 9 with the first row and 8 with the second row, after doing some math, I got these results. You can check by multiplying 9 with the row 1 and then 8 with the row 2. Similarly, multiplying 9 with the row 1, okay, this is modified row 1, and then adding with the row 3 with every corresponding elements, you will get this result. Now coming on the next step. Now after doing this, I need to introduce this leading diagonal element is a 1. So what will I do? I multiply the I multiply the multiplicative inverse of 2. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 upon 2. Because I am multiplying the multiplicative inverse of this element, so that I will write its multiplicative inverse here. In other words, because I am dividing 1 upon 2, so that I will write 2 here. In other words, because I am finishing 2 from this place, that's why I will write here 2 from for that place. Okay, so this one we have done. I have divided second row by 2, and I got new row 2. So this is new row 2, and I have put here 2. And after, because I need to make this is as a quadrangular matrix, so I need the 0 below this diagonal element. So what should I do next? I need to multiply -8 with row 2, and then add with the row 3. So when I multiply negative with this row and add with this row, I will get in this place 0. Okay, because I am multiplying negative 8 with R2, so that I need to put here it's additive inverse on this place. Okay, so I have put negative additive inverse on this place. In other words, because I am finishing 8 from this place, that's why I have to put 8 on this place, right? So I have done this thing here, and after multiplying 8 negative 8 with row 2, then adding with the row 3, I got new row 3. So this is the result that we got here. Okay, now go to the next step. Next step is that I need to get this entry 1, but this entry is already 1. So what do I need to do? I need to multiply its multiplicative inverse with R3. So what I am doing, I am multiplying the multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1. Okay, simply you can say 1. So I am multiplying 1 upon 1, or simply 1 with R3. The result is again a new modified row, or the same row is R3. But because I have divided this one by 1, so I write here 1. Okay, so this is the result we got. So in the end, we have this upper triangular matrix, and this is the lower triangular matrix. So we got this is a LU decomposition. This is A, and first of all we have to write L, then U. So this is the LU decomposition, and this was the process to find the LU decomposition. I hope you have got cleared.